Hi, I'm David from myties.net. In this video, we're going to learn how to personalize a Greek flag necktie by adding a simple monogram. So let's get started. To get started, go to the Greece flag brick pattern necktie product page in Zazzle. Once you're there, click on the Personalize This Design button, and that will take you into the Zazzle Designer. Today we're going to add a simple monogram to the necktie so that you can personalize it for the person you're buying it for. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the toolbox on the left and we're going to add an element. And what we're going to do is make a background for our monogram. So we added a box to the artboard and we're going to squeeze that box down into a band, just a straight band. Let's grab the sides there and bring it in. We can actually zoom in here if we want to get a better look at it. Whenever you add items to the artboard, it always goes to the center of the screen, so we'll be going up and down and moving things as we add. Okay, so once you have your box there, what you want to do is reduce the line weight to 0 because we're not going to have a line around it. And then we're going to give it a fill color. Now the system will automatically find colors from within the pattern that is on the tie, so you'll see those here. You can also use the eyedropper tool to go and grab a color from the pattern if you need be, but these colors, usually the ones they detect, are usually very usable for these needs. So we're going to give it a fill color, and you see you've got that nice blue color. Now what we're going to do to position this band on the tie is we're going to come over here to the layers tab and we're going to actually hover over the pattern tile that makes up the pattern, and we're going to click this eye icon and we're going to hide the pattern for now. So we haven't deleted the pattern, it's just hidden. Then we're going to position this band so that it's just above where the tie begins to turn pointy at the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to make sure that that band is wider than the tie, and if you want to make sure it's nice and clean, you can come up under alignment and center it, just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the text. We're going to click on the text tool here on the panel in the left side, click add text box, and we're going to add the monogram, the actual letters. Let's type FWP like that. And as I said, it always moves to the center. So I usually, instead of scrolling up and down like this, I'll usually use the alignment function and bring it to the bottom of the screen, and it brings it down there. Now, once you select on your type, your context menu at the top will change, and you can select the font. I'm just going to select one here. Let's use this Zazzle. Now, they've got a lot of fonts, so you can scroll through that list and pick the one you want. Usually, a font size of around 40 or 45 points, I think, is a good size for a tie. You don't want it to be too garish. So you'll notice as you position the text, you see I'm moving the text manually, snapping and showing you where the item is centered on the screen. Okay, up under the context menu at the top, the formatting menu, select the text color and let's go with white. Okay, so we've got that. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Make sure it looks like we want it to look. Let's turn the pattern back on in the layers. It looks like it's lined up pretty well. Now let's check the preview, which is at the top, and it'll show you what it looks like on the tie. So there's the full tie view. The rolled tie view gives you a closer look at it. Looks like it's lined up pretty well. And then on the full tie view, so it looks like it's pretty good. Close the preview here in the corner. Now let's go to the buttons at the top. It will take you through the process of making sure your tie is finished and placing an order. So click Next. It'll have you check the back. You haven't made any changes there, so you're okay. Click Next Review. Give it a final review. Make sure the tie looks, the customization you made looks good. All right. And then click Add to Cart. And now you're done. Just place your order. In closing, be sure to check out our full line of Greek flag pattern neckties and other gifts. The link is below. Also keep in mind that many of the techniques shown in this video can be applied to other ties at myties.net, especially the over 200 other country flag pattern ties available there. Come visit us soon.